Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Update the iPhone and laptop so compatibility issues are minimized. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on each or plug in a USB cable for a direct connection. Make sure you unlock the iPhone and tap Trust when prompted so the laptop can access device functions. You also need to allow camera and microphone access in any app you'll use. This establishes permissions and connectivity, so the laptop can recognize the iPhone as a camera input. Next, choose the linking method. Use Continuity Camera for recent Macs, QuickTime for wired capture, or a third-party app for Windows. Install any required companion apps or drivers on both devices. That step often resolves detection failures. Once installed, open your video or conferencing application, then select the iPhone as the camera source in its device settings. If using USB, confirm the cable is data capable. If using Wi-Fi, ensure both devices remain on the same network to keep latency low. Finally, fine-tune camera settings. Choose resolution, enable stabilization, and set orientation for framing. Mount the iPhone on a tripod or clamp to keep the image steady, and enable Do Not Disturb so calls won't interrupt the feed. Once configured, test audio and video together to confirm sync. If the laptop fails to see the iPhone, restart both devices, try a known good USB cable, toggle Wi-Fi/Bluetooth, or reinstall the companion app or drivers. That usually clears connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.